This is one of several videos I'll be making for my bridal shower brunch video series. It's a rose water and maple syrup granola mix. If you've never cooked with rose water before, you should definitely try it. I think it's really nice. You can also find a full list of the ingredients for this recipe on my bridal shower blog, and I will leave a link for that in the description of this video. Add all of the dry ingredients into a large bowl and mix it really well. Now I'm going to preheat the oven and prepare the maple syrup. I'm warming up the maple syrup in a small pot, but you can use the microwave for this step if you like. You just want the maple syrup to get a little bit runny so that it's easy to mix into the dry ingredients. It only took about 30 seconds to warm up the maple syrup. You can turn off the stove immediately. Now you can add the vanilla extract and rose water to it. Pour the rose water maple syrup into the bowl of dry ingredients and mix it really well. Transfer the granola mix over to a large baking sheet that is lined with parchment paper and spread it out into a thin and even layer. Place it in the oven for about 40 minutes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I wanted the entire granola mix to have a nice and even golden brown color to it, so I took it out of the oven every 10 minutes or so, tossed it a little bit, and placed it back into the oven. This is what it looks like after 40 minutes of cooking in the oven. Let it cool off for about 10 minutes, and then you can store it in an airtight container. Thanks for watching. If you need any bridal shower essentials, I invite you over to my shop at www.antheacollection.com.